It's time for our Puppet Pals feature presentation. Let's start. Congratulations, and it's your day. Time to start our film at Puppet Pals. Hey, we're all kitchen favorites. Come on, you better. Oh, yes. Do you see that? Yes, I see it. Hey there, cooking children. Do you want to go right here? Oh, yay. Come on. Let's go to the lake. Come on. Let's go to the lake. Now, come on. Let's go to the lake and to a next adventure. To our next adventure. We did go to our lake. Do you see me? Do you see me somewhere? Do you see me somewhere? Yeah? Right over. I think, Of course. Yes. Thank you. Because it's time to get our next adventure ready. Oh no. Oh no. And that is the end. And thanks. And enjoy the Nickelodeon light bulb with the kids laughing in it. See you. Thanks for watching your Nickelodeon and Puppet Pals videos.